must have set in your mind, look, this is going to take me 20 hours to bring this car back. And it's the PPG being the good stuff. It's going to cost me this X amount of dollars for this. In your mind, you already have a price in your mind. If they come in and undercut you by a lot, and I don't know what that gauge is, 10, 20%.
Yeah, most of the time, no, because they add everything, every little clip, every little screw. So most of the time, what the insurance company gives body shops, it's
fair.
It's fair.
Okay, good.
The only where it's not fair if the appraiser missed something or from the pictures they missed something, which that happens more often than an actual physical guy coming out.
Okay.
So you got to go back and forth. You got to add certain thing like it's called a supplement. So if he missed the rat support or the radiator because the bumper wasn't taken off,
right?
So you take pictures and send that up. That's where they compensate. So they help with that.
So they come or get the pictures. They say this is what we're willing to pay. What deems a car a write-off? Because I'm sure there's people out there that are...
Yeah, so your car will be written off if the ACV, so actual cash value of the car, is so the repair is 75% of the cost of the car.
Okay.
Yeah, so if the repair is over 75%, the cost of the car, they'll write your car off.
Okay.
Yeah. So if it's like a 20,000,
and that's like black book value or
market value.
Market
value. Yeah.
Okay.
I know.
Did things change through COVID?
Yeah.
Okay.
Obviously, the market value of cars went up.
Yeah, for
right.
sure.
So there was a lot of repairs happening. They'll also write your car if there's significant structural damage, like you said, airbags blown. There's a lot of reasons. Engine blown.
And airbags are obviously a key safety
Yes.
feature.
Rollovers as well, Mike. If the car's rolled over,
yeah, it'll be a write-off. Okay. Interesting. So we get the agreement. You start the work. Everything goes well. In a perfect world, 3-4 days, I get my car back. 3-4 weeks, 3-4 months.
Yeah, it depends on the severity of that. No, our shop, we try to get, like, if it's a big hit and parts are available,
right?
We can get it out in a week.
Okay,
no problem. Retail jobs, we usually get out 2-3 days. Now, here's where it gets tricky. If your car is drivable,
yes,
and the parts
aren't
available,
right?
We will order the parts for you.
Gotcha.
You drive the car around. When we get the parts, we'll call you. You come in, and then that way we'll get the car out faster.
Right.
Whereas it'll sit, and we're waiting for the parts. There's no point, right?
Right.
Yeah. So we'll be very clear about that.
And I've had that happen with my truck.
Yeah.
When I was backing up my trailer and I hit that stump.
That's right. Yeah.
And it jumped and it just dinged just dinged my bumper with my 16-foot trailer.
Yeah.
And dented the bumper, but it caved in the side.
Mm-hmm.
Like unbelievable. And that's when I realized that GM's now using aluminum body panels.
Mm-hmm.
And I thought I was in for, I swear to God, like $6,000-7,000 damage. I'm like looking at this going, this truck is just destroyed, right? Like they're going to have to replace this whole body panel. They're going to have it. And you ended up ordering me a bracket. You pulled out the bumper, put in the new bracket, and somehow fixed the body panel to like new condition. You would not know. And I swear to God, you would not know anything like professional for under $2,000.
Yeah.
Like I was so impressed, honestly.
Thanks. Well, that's what we try to do.